You know that feeling when you unzip your tent after a long hike and realize you forgot a can opener, or your sleeping pad has deflated into a plastic taco? Yeah, we've all been there. Camping is about disconnecting, but that doesn't mean you have to suffer through survival mode basics. Today, we are cutting through the gimmicks to bring you the heavy hitters. These aren't just gadgets, they are game changers. We are counting down the 15 brilliant camping accessories that are actually worth your hard-earned money. Number 15. The GSI Outdoors Bugaboo Base Camper Set. Alright, let's kick off the list with a heavy lifter that might not be the sexiest item, but is easily the most practical. The GSI Outdoors Bugaboo Base Camper Set. If you are tired of juggling mismatched, flimsy plates that warp when you pour hot coffee, this is your solution. This is a 17-piece kit that nests together into a compact, durable carrying case. It includes plates, bowls, cups, and the absolute star of the show, a non-stick frying pan. Now, here's why it's worth the price tag. When you are camping, space is a premium. This set is designed to stack and lock together so tightly that it fits into a small footprint that feels like you are carrying a single saucepan. The non-stick surface is durable enough to withstand the abuse of campfire cooking and scraping, and the plates are deep enough to eat chili without it spilling into your sleeping bag. It also includes a cutting board and a spatula, which means you are effectively carrying a complete kitchen in one hand. The hard anodized construction ensures even heat distribution, so you aren't burning your eggs on one side while the other side remains raw. Additionally, the set is incredibly easy to clean. A quick wipe with a biodegradable soap and a splash of water is all it needs. This saves water, which is vital when you are carrying your own supply. While the initial cost might make you wince compared to a plastic plate from the dollar store, the longevity and design of this set will save you from buying a new, cheap set every single season. It's the kind of purchase that just makes sense. It eliminates the morning chaos of who had the fork and lets you focus on the view. For the car camper who likes to eat well and clean up fast, this is the first investment you should make. Number 14. The Nemo Equipment Tensor Insulated Sleeping Pad. Sleep deprivation can ruin a camping trip faster than a thunderstorm, and nothing causes sleepless nights like a cold, rocky ground beneath you. Enter the Nemo Tensor Insulated Sleeping Pad. This is where modern material science meets outdoor comfort. Traditionally, sleeping pads were bulky, noisy, or simply too thin. The Tensor solves all three. It offers an incredible 3.5 inches of loft, providing a plush, cloud-like barrier between you and the hard earth. The standout feature here is the space frame baffle design, which is a series of triangular cutouts inside the pad. This isn't just for marketing. It reduces weight and increases stability, so you don't feel like you are rolling off a waterbed. The insulation is the real magic. It uses a metallized thermal layer that reflects your body heat back to you, rather than letting it leach into the soil. This means it packs down to the size of a water bottle, but offers a 4.2 R value, which is warm enough for 3-season use. We've all struggled with the crinkle sound of old-school pads that wake you up every time you turn. The Tensor uses a luxurious, quiet fabric that feels like a luxury mattress. Inflation is a breeze with the Vortex pump sack. You don't blow air into it with your lungs, which creates moisture and degrades the insulation. You use the bag to draw air in and push it into the pad. It takes about 3-4 bags full of air to get it firm. When you are waking up with a rested back and no aches, you'll realize every penny spent was an investment in the quality of your entire trip. Number 13. The Jetboil Genesis Base Camp System. When it comes to cooking for a group, speed is efficiency, and efficiency is happiness. The Jetboil Genesis Base Camp System is a 2-burner stove that redefines what a camp kitchen can be. Jetboil is famous for its industrial design and focus on efficiency, and this is the pinnacle of their design philosophy. It is a compact, foldable propane stove that boils water in just over a minute and a half. The genius lies in its flux ring technology, which is essentially a heat exchanger that traps the flame and directs the heat directly to the pot. This means you are using less gas to achieve the same heat output, saving you money on propane canisters over the long run. The 2 burners are powerful enough to boil water for coffee while simultaneously frying bacon, and the folding legs create a sturdy platform that can withstand pots full of stew without toppling over. The carrying case doubles as a wind protector, which is an issue that plagues many camp stoves. Why is this worth the money? It has a built-in push-button igniter that works in high winds, and the burner valve is incredibly precise, allowing you to simmer pasta sauce without scorching it. The system is built like a tank. The aluminum and stainless steel construction will survive years of use. While a cheap Coleman stove is fine, the Genesis offers better flame control, better gas efficiency, meaning less weight in fuel, and a much smaller pack size. For the serious overlander or family car camper, this stove turns meal prep into a joy rather than a chore. Number 12. The Grail GeoPress Water Purifier. Water is heavy, and worrying about amoebas or bacteria is not a relaxing way to spend your holiday. The Grail GeoPress is a water purifier that is so fast and effective, it basically eliminates the need to carry excessive water weight. Here is the problem with most filters. They are slow, require complex pumps, or need you to suck through a straw like a baby. The GeoPress uses a press mechanism. You take the outer bottle, fill it with water from a stream, lake, or even a muddy puddle, and then you push the inner reservoir down into the outer bottle. This pressure forces the dirty water through a sophisticated filter that removes 99.99% of viruses, bacteria, and protozoa. The pressure-based action means you get 16 ounces of purified water in about 8 seconds. That is revolutionary. Why is it worth the premium price? Because it is the only purifier on the market that fits in a standard backpack cup holder and acts as a durable water bottle. It effectively replaces the need for a bulky pump, iodine tablets, and a separate Nalgene bottle. The filter lifespan is impressive, lasting for approximately 300 uses. This is crucial for multi-day hikes where water sources are unpredictable. Having the ability to walk up to a stream, press a button, and instantly have safe drinking water means you can hike further and lighter. It empowers you to adventure more confidently. You aren't just buying a bottle. You are buying hydration insurance and saving the weight of carrying gallons of water. Number 11. The BioLite Camp Stove 2. We are moving into the realm of the truly brilliant with the BioLite Camp Stove 2. This isn't just a stove, it's a miniature power plant and a bonfire in a can. The premise is unique. It burns wood or twigs that you collect on your hike. It uses a combustion fan to blow air into the fire, creating a secondary burn that is incredibly efficient and virtually smokeless. But the real genius is the thermoelectric generator. It captures the heat from the fire and converts it into electricity. This electricity powers the fan, and then it powers you. There is a built-in 2,600 mAh battery pack that you can use to recharge your phone, headlamp, or GPS. What makes this worth every penny is the synergy of features. It frees you from relying on compressed gas canisters, which are expensive, heavy, and create waste. You can cook a meal, boil water, and charge your devices all at the same time using fuel you find on the ground. The cooking process is mesmerizing. The blue flames of the secondary combustion look like a jet engine. It is a bit heavy for ultralight backpacking, but for base camping, kayak camping, or even emergency preparedness at home, it is invaluable. The ability to boil a liter of water in under 5 minutes using twigs is impressive, and the arm that swings out to hold a pot is sturdy. While the initial investment is high, consider how much you save on fuel and power banks over its lifetime. It's a sustainable, high-tech piece of kit that will make you the envy of the campsite. Number 10. The Sea to Summit Ultra Sill Pack Cover. Okay, this one might sound boring, but hear me out. The Sea to Summit Ultra Sill Pack Cover is a lightweight piece of nylon that can save your trip from disaster. Weather in the mountains is notoriously unpredictable. A sudden rainstorm can soak your sleeping bag, your clothes, and your electronics, making the rest of your trip a miserable, hypothermic slog. This pack cover is made from a siliconized Cordura fabric that is ultra-durable and waterproof, yet packs down to the size of a tennis ball. While many backpacks claim to be water-resistant, they are rarely fully waterproof in a heavy downpour. This cover cinches tightly around the top of your pack and creates a protective shell against the rain. It also acts as an extra layer of security against scrapes and punctures when you are scrambling over rocks. Why is it worth the money? Because it provides peace of mind. When the clouds roll in, instead of panicking and trying to find a tarp or a rain poncho, you simply pull this out, slip it over your pack, and keep hiking. The reflective logo adds a safety feature for low light visibility. It also doubles as a ground sheet in a pinch to keep your gear off the wet dirt. In the grand scheme of camping, paying $40, $50 to ensure your $400 sleeping bag stays dry is a no-brainer. It is one of those pieces of kit you hope you don't need, but if you do, you'll be thanking your lucky stars you had it. Number 9. The Soto Windmaster Stove. For the ultralight solo hiker, the Soto Windmaster is the holy grail of cooking. Let's be real, nothing is worse than trying to boil water for coffee on a windy ridge only to have the flame blow out or the water take 15 minutes to boil. The Windmaster solves this with a unique, concave burner head that features a built-in wind shield. The burner is designed to create a self-sustaining vortex flame that resists being blown out by crosswinds. The piezoelectric igniter is also a standout. It is built into the frame of the stove and is far more reliable than the flint spark style you find on other lightweight stoves. It uses a 4-prong pot support that allows you to simmer, which is incredibly rare for ultralight stoves. Usually, you get a full blast or off setting. The Windmaster gives you precise control to cook delicate meals like fish or soup. The weight is negligible at just 2.3 ounces. When you combine the efficiency of the heat exchange with the wind protection, you are using less gas per boil than almost any other stove on the market. This means you can carry a smaller fuel canister, which is a huge weight saving. While the price is steeper than a cheap titanium stove, the fuel savings and the sheer reliability in adverse conditions justify the cost. It transforms the cooking experience into something that is pleasant, even when the weather is trying to ruin your day. Number 8. The Helinox Chair Zero. We are officially off the ground now. The Helinox Chair Zero is an item of luxury that has absolutely no right to be as light as it is, weighing in at just 1.1 pounds. This is the chair for backpackers who are tired of sitting on rocks or damp logs. It is a collapsible chair made from a DAC aluminum alloy frame and a mesh seat. The design is so clever that when you sit down, the tension of your weight pulls the fabric taut, creating a supremely comfortable perch that supports your back. The engineering allows for a high load capacity despite the minimal weight. The difference between sitting on a hard, cold rock and sitting in this chair at the end of a 15-mile hike is the difference between misery and comfort. It allows your body to relax, improves circulation, and gives you a clean space to eat and socialize. It packs down into a stuffed sack that is comparable to a large thermos, so it fits easily on the side of your pack. The price seems astronomical for a chair, but consider the alternative: buying cheap folding chairs that break after a season or sitting on the ground. You are paying for the materials and the engineering that allows such a lightweight pack size. This is the ultimate quality of life accessory. If you value comfort at camp, this is a must-buy. Number 7. The Goal Zero Lighthouse 400 Lantern. Light is essential for morale, and the Goal Zero Lighthouse 400 is the most versatile source of light you can buy. This is not a wimpy LED with a dying battery. This lantern features a 400 lumen output, but the best part is the dual directional design. The lantern head is a cylinder of LEDs, but you can collapse it so the light points up, down, or is diffused sideways. It features a built-in USB port to charge your devices, and its battery pack is rechargeable via solar panels, AC, or USB. Why is it worth it? It solves the frustration of dim light. It has a low setting that can run for over 100 hours, making it ideal for tent reading, while the high setting is bright enough to light up an entire site. The fold-out legs are magnetic, allowing you to stick it to your car or a metal pole. It also features a red light mode for preserving night vision and preventing bugs from swarming. The build quality is legendary. It feels like a brick. It is practically indestructible. For those who camp in established sites or overland, this is the only light source you need. It eliminates the need for headlamps for evening chores and creates a warm, inviting atmosphere around the camp table. Number 6. The Dometic CFX 345 Portable Fridge. Alright, we are getting serious now. The Dometic CFX 345 is a battery-powered fridge, not a cooler. It is the ultimate accessory for the car camper or off-roader who refuses to eat mush. This is a compressor fridge that can cool down to 8 degrees Fahrenheit, freezing your food if you want, or keep your vegetables crisp. The difference between a traditional cooler and this fridge is that you don't need ice. This means no water sloshing around ruining your food, no draining the cooler, and no running to town every 2 days to buy bags of melting ice. It has a durable construction that is rated for extreme conditions. The lid is robust enough to stand on. It features a smart battery protection system that automatically cuts off the power if your vehicle battery runs low, ensuring you can still start your car. The app allows you to monitor the temperature from your phone. Why the high price? Because it is a game changer for extended trips. The ability to have fresh milk, cold beer, and fresh meat for days on end transforms camping into glamping. Over the course of a few years, you save money on ice and wasted food. For the serious adventurer, this is the centerpiece of the campsite. Number 5. The Leatherman Signal Multi-Tool. A good multi-tool is essential, but the Leatherman Signal is a masterpiece of survival engineering. It contains all the standard tools: pliers, knives, wire cutters, and a saw. However, the real differentiators are the external hammer, the sharpener, and the whistle. The hammer is a flat, hard surface on the bottom of the tool, ideal for hammering tent stakes into rocky soil. The sharpener is a diamond-coated plate that allows you to sharpen your knife or an axe in the field. The ferrocerium rod is attached to the outside for starting fires, even in wet conditions. It also features a 1/4-inch bit driver for repairs. Why spend the extra money? Because it replaces multiple tools in your pack. You don't need a separate hammer, fire starter, or knife sharpener. It reduces weight and clutter. The stainless steel build is backed by a 25-year warranty. It is designed for one-handed opening, so even if you are holding a tent pole with the other hand, you can deploy the blade. It's the kind of tool that makes you feel capable of handling any situation. Number 4. The Yeti Rambler 36-ounce bottle. Hydration is important, but so is enjoying a cold beverage on a hot trail. The Yeti Rambler 36 ounces is the ultimate in durability and insulation. It features double-wall vacuum insulation that keeps your water ice cold for hours, even if the bottle is sitting in the direct sun. The size is perfect for a full day of hiking without needing a refill. The stainless steel construction is designed to be bulletproof. Why is it worth the price? It's the buy-it-for-life factor. The lid is leak-proof and has a magnetic cap that snaps shut to prevent spills. It holds a ton of water, meaning you can hike longer without stopping to filter more water. The 18/8 stainless steel ensures that your water doesn't get a metallic taste. It's heavy, but the weight is a trade-off for the capacity and insulation. For anyone who is serious about hydration, this bottle eliminates the need for disposable plastic bottles and keeps your water cold from the trailhead to the summit. Number 3. The OPSAC odor-proof bags. You don't see these often, but the OPSAC odor-proof bags are one of the most important safety items you can carry. These bags are made of a special plastic barrier that prevents food odors from attracting bears or critters to your campsite. They seal tight with a Ziploc style. Why are they worth it? Because it is significantly easier to place your trash and food scraps in these bags than to hang a bear bag perfectly every night. It also keeps your pack from smelling like beef jerky. This protects you and the wildlife. They are reusable and washable, making them a cheap investment in safety and hygiene. Number 2. The Big Agnes Copper Spur HVUL2 tent. If there is a tent that can change the way you look at backpacking, it is the Big Agnes Copper Spur HVUL2. It is the pinnacle of lightweight, freestanding tent technology. The HV stands for high volume, meaning the pole structure is designed to create near vertical walls, giving you a massive amount of livable headroom while weighing just over 3 pounds. It features 2 large doors and 2 vestibules, which is rare for a lightweight tent. This means you and your partner can each have your own entrance and gear storage, eliminating the clumsy climb-over scenario. Why is it worth the money? It offers a lifetime warranty against defects and is built from the highest quality materials. The tent is extremely fast to pitch with the color-coded webbing and pole clips. The aluminum stakes are durable and lightweight. It's the tent that feels like a palace while carrying minimal weight. Number 1. The MSR Hubba Hubba NX2. Finally, taking the top spot is the MSR Hubba Hubba NX2. This is the benchmark by which all other tents are judged, and for good reason. It is the epitome of you get what you pay for. It features a unique pole geometry that creates an incredibly stable structure in high winds, which is a lifesaver in exposed areas. The Easton Cyclone poles are nearly indestructible, so you don't have to worry about broken poles in the middle of nowhere. It has a large, peak height inside that allows you to sit up fully, and a massive vestibule for cooking and storing gear. The Rainfly is designed to withstand heavy downpours without sagging. The mesh design allows for excellent cross-ventilation to prevent condensation. It sets up in under 3 minutes. The true value here is the peace of mind. You pay for the engineering that ensures you have a dry, warm, and safe shelter in any weather condition. While cheaper tents may leak or break, the Hubba Hubba keeps you safe and comfortable. It transforms a potentially terrible night in the rain into a cozy, secure refuge. That is why it is the best camping accessory you can possibly buy. Your shelter is the most critical piece of gear, and this one is flawless.